Most people don't know how to build winning slips, but today I'll be showing you how to build one on BETWAY. So firstly, you'll go to the BETWAY website, then check the matches of which are playing. Then here I'll be making an example using Ghana and Tanzania and South Africa versus Mali. So here we're gonna check the Ghana stats. We can see that the over 1,5 is 100% and at the other side is 0%. So they might have a chance of scoring over 2 goals the first half. I mean the whole match. So going to South Africa, so checking the odds for Ghana versus Tanzania, you can see that the odds are 1,28 odds, which are good odds for that kind of market. So going on South Africa versus Mali, you can see that the over 1,5 is 100% on both sides. So it's a good bet. That's the kind of bet of which I would take because it's less riskier. So checking the odds, the over 1,5 is 1,26 odds. So it's a good odds for that kind of market. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tips and strategies.